All right, guys, sell signal printed here at 8:38 a.m. this morning, and we caught the exact top of this beautiful sell-off today. All right. This entire week has been an absolute day trader's dream. If you're passionate and you're excited about trading the market for a living, then I don't know what you're doing sitting and staring from the sidelines, because this is a day trader's paradise. Okay? Let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And all we do here at DynoTrading is show you the power of trend trading techniques and the power of a trend trading strategy. It just works. Don't ask me why it works. Don't ask me how it works. All I can tell you is it just works, okay? And frankly speaking, the harsh reality is a majority of you guys and gals out there are still using these garbage indicator candlestick charts. These type of charts just simply ain't gonna cut it anymore. I'm sorry to tell you that. All right, because I think Bollinger Bands are a complete waste of time. And I also think that stochastics and other similar oscillators like this are a giant piece of crap. Just a giant piece of steaming crap. You know why? Because these type of charts cannot, will not, and will never ever tell you the direction of the trend. Right? You can't tell where the trend starts, and you certainly cannot tell where the trend ends. And that is why I think that anybody who's trading candlesticks is just simply wasting their time. Now, here's what you can do if you're intrigued by a logical strategy and a common sense approach to your trading. Okay, with one click of your mouse, I'm going to show you how to take this chart right here and turn it into this chart right over here. All right, guys and gals, this is from today. We're not cherry picking, all right? This is the NASDAQ from today. You know that you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class. If you trade Forex, you can trade the NAS. If you trade futures, you can trade the NAS. And of course, if you trade stocks and options, you can trade the NAS, okay? Look, the NASDAQ right now is the #1 most volatile symbol on the planet. This thing is clocking at like 500 to 600 ticks or pips if you trade Forex almost every single day. Now, you try to find a market out there. In fact, name any other symbol or market that is giving you an average daily range of 500 to 600 ticks or pips. You can't name one. Right? Because the NAS is at the top of the list. That is why the NASDAQ is a day trader's best friend. Because this thing gives us opportunities every single day like you wouldn't believe. Now, case in point, guys and gals, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume indicator color band. What does this thing do and how can it help? Well, the reason that this volume indicator band is so incredibly powerful is because it can help you nail the starting points of trends. You understand? Because as day traders, this is technically all that we care about. We need to know the starting point of a trend. Not the middle of the trend, not the end of the trend, but I need to know the starting point of a trend, up or down, and then I'm going to decide how to play it accordingly. You get my point? I mean, look, man, you got to be passionate and you got to be excited about this stuff, right? If you're not passionate, excited, motivated to trade the market, then you will forever be stuck in the dumpster and the trash heap trading these garbage charts, right? There's just no two ways to say it, okay? There's always going to be a differentiator between retail amateur traders and professional traders, okay? Now look, there's a lot of different ways to play a trend. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I love the retracement approach. In fact, the reason why I love this volume indicator color band is because we actually had a retracement right over there. Can you see this? You see this red bar right here? This is the retracement setup right there. I mean, literally, we called the exact top in the morning at 8:38 in the morning. But say you missed it. Now, I don't know why you'd miss this setup, because if you're not at your computer at 8:30 in the morning and you call yourself a day trader, I don't know what the heck you're doing, right? But let's say you missed it. Well, look at this. Isn't that interesting? We got another textbook retracement right over here. And we got another textbook retracement right over here. And we got another textbook retracement right over here. Look, guys and gals, can you see how this retracement pattern simply repeats itself almost every day? I mean, this is like taking candy from a baby. I honestly cannot think of any other trading strategy in the history of the universe that makes trend spotting so easy and so objective, right? There's no room for interpretation, okay? When this thing turns from green into red, as it did today, indicating a powerful sell signal, you need to be on the lookout. You need to be alert because you never know when a retracement will come. Sometimes it will show up really quickly like it did right there. Other times you might have to wait maybe an hour, hour and a half, and it shows up right here, shows up right here, shows up right here again, right? Shows up everywhere. You understand? So listen, all I can say to my people and all of my new clients and new customers and everybody who's been actively trading the vol this year, I gotta give you guys and gals a big shout out. Honored and humbled that you believed in the system and that you're finding massive success in the strategy. And of course, a big shout out to all you guys and gals who caught the exact top today, and maybe even you caught the exact bottom. I heard from so many of you guys who were able to milk this downtrend all the way from the starting point to the very end. I mean, that's like just the trade of a lifetime, right? So yeah, what an incredible day, what an incredible week, and I cannot wait to see what this volume indicator is going to give us in the next trading session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.